Here's how you can unhide hidden apps on iPhone iOS 18. So in this short tutorial, I'm gonna exactly show you how you can unhide hidden apps on your iPhone. So make sure you stick around till the end to exactly know what to do. So in order to find a hidden app, you just basically need to hide it first. So I'm just gonna hide an app and then show you how you can unhide it. So let's just take an app for example. I'm just gonna use something quickly, just like this right over here. So I'm just gonna hide this F2F. I'm just gonna simply hold it and then require Face ID, hide it, and here we go. Now as you know, the app is now hidden. So you can easily unhide it by just simply swiping right to your app library. So just go ahead and inside your app library here, as you can see, this is what app library looks like. So once you're inside app library, you just need to basically scroll down till the bottom and you'll see two options, one other and then hidden. So at this point it's pretty obvious that you gotta press on hidden, so it has to be you. Just basically press on it and it will require Face ID. And here as you can see, this is our hidden app. So what you need to do right over here is just basically simply tap and hold it just like that. Once you do this, it'll give you four options: delete app, don't require Face ID, share app, add to home screen. So you simply have to press on don't require Face ID. And here as you can see, the app is now unhidden. So I'm just gonna basically search it up just like that. And here as you can see, I can find the app very easily. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how you can unhide hidden apps on iPhone iOS 18. So I hope this video actually helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until then, goodbye and peace out.